feels like home to me. Yeah, I don't know. I just like Everett. Oh, it's the best place to be. I wouldn't teach anywhere else. I wouldn't teach anywhere else.
Barb is a wonderful teacher.
I really think she's a jewel in our district.
She's a well-deserving teacher, very innovative.
I just know that her program with forensic science has just taken off in this building.
Again, get a nice good print, put it on the card. You might put a couple on the card, put it in here, and then just watch it develop. It goes pretty fast. And if the beaker is covered like this, you can take it out and put it in the palm of your hand, and then the heat from your hand will make it go a little faster. And you can watch it develop. It might take a minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes. Come on over here. Drop it in. And then if you hold it in your hand like that, you can kind of watch it develop, because your hand warms up the crystals. You can drop it in. Yeah. Ready?
She's done an outstanding job really developing our whole science program, not only just her two favorite subjects of physics and forensic science.
Okay, those of you that are wearing white, got that nice white t-shirt, you want to wear this, Amanda?
Yeah.
So, you know, sometimes if you guys put lotion on your hands, that helps to leave good prints too. Guys, if you get the black powder on your clothes, it's best not to wipe it off. It's best just to wait till you get home and then throw it in the washer. But if you try to wipe it off now, you'll just smear it around. If we had white powder, we could use white powder. But I opened up the white powder and it was empty. It's not easy to write on tape, yeah. But you know, just draw the line, circle it, draw the line. And,
Oh,
yeah.
I need a book.
Looks out for her students immensely, right? One of the best colleagues that we have here in Everett. Just about all the students you will talk, they normally call her Miss D, and for them to them she's very endearing. They think immensely of her, and if you look at the schedule, her class is frequently full.
They seem to like her. They seem to like her classes. She really works with all the students and makes sure that everybody has their fair shake at the class, and never had anybody that really had a trouble with my mom.
Yep, they really like her. They like the way that she runs class. They like the way that she's approachable and will help work with the kids on some problems that they have, maybe even outside of physics or chemistry or science, math, just maybe personal problems. She's really, you know, into working with kids and benefiting them in the long run.
They're fascinated by the subject. She's made it come alive for them, and they're learning a lot about forensic science, which combines all different kinds of sciences. It combines physics and chemistry and biology, and they're learning to use science in a very practical way in her course.
So I think she's taken it to the next step. It's more hands-on and they can relate to it. And she's gotten a lot of kids interested in pursuing careers in forensic science.
I like it best when they feel like they're learning something. And forensic science is something that students like, and they're willing to put in the extra work and go the extra mile because it's something that they're interested in. So it's fun working with kids. They're very energetic. They're very energetic. Okay, did you put tape on there?
Yeah.
And then just rip it up and then...
The powder, so you can't like see it, you know what I mean?
Well, you're supposed to put this tape on a piece of white paper so you can see your fingerprint.
I know, but then there's still powder like...
It is kind of messy. But then your fingerprints should have more powder on them, so you should still be able to find the characteristics. Yeah, because see, you can still see, you might be able to get some good characteristics out of some of those. So even though there's powder everywhere, there will be more on the fingerprint.
Oh.
Yeah. Dip it in the starch there to make it permanent. So John and I started by just doing some summer programs out at MSU, and the summer programs went well, and then we got a grant from MSU to write a forensic science for high school curriculum. We wrote that, tried out a semester here, and that went really well. So I had all that from MSU, and then after the years of teaching it, I mean, I've taught it since '98, forensic science since '98. So like any teacher, you get this notebook full of materials and activities and everything that you use in your curriculum, and since I had it all, we just kind of made it into a book.
It's a pleasure to have her here, and it's a real credit to our district to have someone who has done something as phenomenal as write their own textbook. It's a real credit to our district to have her as part of our staff here.
I'm so impressed with her textbook, and I'm really looking forward to the district supplying the forensic textbook that she has written, co-authored, to the rest of the high schools, more than 25 copies.
And we started writing the book. We had 3 or 4 chapters done that we took around to different publishers. And in the beginning, everyone said that they weren't interested, that nobody really wanted to do that. They wouldn't teach it at high school. And that was before CSI. And I pointed out how popular it was on television, and they said, oh yeah, but that's PBS, because that's the Discovery Channel and this and that. And then eventually it did get to network, and it was after all the CSI programs came out that someone finally did pick us up and say, yeah, okay. And it's grown really fast. This one, all you have to do is spray with that, but that's the one, if you get it on you, your finger will be purple. Right. Now,
So if you sprayed that in someone's hand, it would turn purple and it wouldn't come off. Okay.
Yep. And this is the iodine. So in this one, you just put your fingerprints on a card, drop it in there, cover it, and then warm up the crystals with your hand, and you can watch the prints develop.
Oh, that's cool.
And then when they get developed where you can see the ridge characteristics, dip it in there. You want to take it out before it turns, if you leave it in too long, it'll be a big brown blotch of nothing.
Is that the color it's supposed to be?
Yeah, that's good.
Oh, there's
Can you start to see the ridges?
Yeah, do I take it out now? And put it in the...
Yeah. Bethany, how you doing? Were you at a doctor's appointment today? Yeah, okay. Everything good? Good doctor, good, okay. On your way to 5th hour? Okay, and then I'll see you in 6th hour.
One of my favorite teachers.
I miss you. I miss you.
I know, they took me at your class.
What hour is it?
6th hour, I have you
Come back. You can come back.
Okay.
There's never a day that goes by that something doesn't make me laugh out loud many times. So it's a lot of fun.